I was in fact not faster than bullets.
Boo.
It's dark. Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good.
I got a laser pointer. What? Yo!
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like that fucking noise. What the hell was that? Oh, what the?
It's again immediately. Solid.
There's something in there, by the way.
Is Kaden dead?
I don't know. I haven't seen him.
Alright, let's get this bread.
What the fuck is that?
It's in the vent.
What is it?
It's in the vent. It's in the vent. It's in the vent. It's in the vent. It's a thumper.
What the fuck is? What is a thumper?
It's
Scary
that thing.
monster.
What do you mean?
Reacts.
Run, get up, get up.
You guys are a bunch of little beaches.
Oh, that's...
I can't believe you just called me a bit. Well, that is unfortunate.
Oh my god, you made it?
It's a beach.
Hey, Daniel. Daniel. Go grab
That's
this and the thing outside and go take it back to the ship and open door P1.
Let's find Kaden's body first. Oh my god.
I didn't know. I didn't know it said that. I didn't know it.
Fuck out of me. I'm leaving now.
They're probably gonna kill if they weren't being dumbasses, though.
God damn, that scared the shit out of me.
You have a blow dryer?
Yeah, I turned it on and I scared him. I'm sorry.
God damn. Alright, let's go.
Yes.
Ooh, I mean, I didn't scare him. What do you mean?
Are there any monsters in there?
Nope, just a really scary blow dryer.
The fuck is that?
For sure. Are you just teabagging Caden?
No.
We went back for...
He ran into a gun, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah.
I was
What's
in
up,
fact
wizard?
not faster than bullets.
Dude, fucking shut
This
up.
is Varys is like
Shut
really
up.
fucking good.
Yeah.
I don't think yelling at it is gonna make it shut up.
If you find the spider, it stops as its defense mechanism and freezes. If it finds you, you're fucked.
And he's up in farm.
Excuse me, I can't see the screen. Can you take like 1 step forward? Thank you.
You fucking gremlin.
I need a flashlight. My flashlight is gone for some reason.
No, it's not. It's in the. It's right here.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh, it's right there.
Oh
When the
yeah?
heck? When did it get there?
It's been there.
Oh my god. Spinning.
We can buy a loud horn for the ship. I don't know what the fuck that means.
My shit is freaking out right now.
I don't know why this is
I know
so
what
funny
I
to
can
me.
do.
Okay.
You're gonna die! Get out! No!
Who is that?
Spice.
What are you doing?
Wait for it to leave.
Spice, how did you die?
Okay, we're good.
I may or may not have walked into quicksand
Get in!
after they said, "Don't walk into that quicksand."
Priority inside.
I never said that I was smart, okay?
What a statement.
I'm a little dumb. More than a little.
Ridiculous.
Get it?
What do you mean?
Oh, okay.
Which spice?
Yes,
Oh, whoa.
fine.
Do they see you?
Ah, that's a tree.
I don't think so.
Just type in the number of the door. Just type in the number of the door.
Just type in the door number, just put the letter and number.
Huh?
Why do we leave
Please
the...
close this door over. I don't know. You can usually tell on there. If not, we're fucked.
Yeah, look at... There you go. C1, P1.
Why did
Now
it
you have to
closing
open-
scare me?
Nope, we're good.